Hello, Wildcats! Today, the Counseling Department would like to walk you through a few tools that will assist you in completing a four-year plan and to get a better understanding of your graduation and college requirements. To begin, we would like to help you understand the difference between the William S. Hart School District graduation requirements versus the A through G or college requirements. Let's start with English. To graduate, you need to complete 4 years or 40 credits. On the right, you will see that to meet your A through G requirements, you also need 4 years of English. For math, you need 3 years or 30 credits total to graduate. For college, you also need 3 years, but for more competitive schools, we highly recommend that you complete 4 years. For history or social science, to graduate, you will need 3 years or 30 credits. This includes modern civilization, 10th grade, U.S. history in 11th grade, and government and economics in 12th grade. For college, 2 years are required, either Mod Civ or World History and a full year of U.S. history. However, you will complete 3 years because Gov and Econ are a requirement for graduation. Lab science, you need 2 years or 20 credits, 1 year of biological science and 1 year of physical science. For college, you will need to complete 2 years as well, but 3 to 4 years are recommended. Foreign language for graduation is not a requirement. You will need to take a foreign language if you are planning to meet college requirements. 2 years of the same language are required, but 3 years are recommended. 3 to 4 years. For graduation, you will need a year of fine arts or 10 credits. Any combination is fine. However, for college, you will need a full year as well, but it needs to be a year-long course. If you take R1A, you have to take R1B. A semester or 2.5 credits of health is required to graduate. For college, health is not required. A semester of a practical art is required to graduate, 5 credits. It is not a requirement for college. A college prep elective is required to meet A through G requirements. This can be the third year of foreign language, third, fourth year of science, etc., even a semester of economics. Lastly, to graduate, you will need to complete 72.5 credits of electives. This means that any class you take beyond what is required to graduate will go under elective credit. For example, foreign language is not a requirement for graduation, so the credits will go under electives. This includes your third or fourth year of science, and so on. Now that you have a better understanding of the requirements, let's look at what your transcript will look like. In this sample, you can see the courses this student took the first semester of 9th grade and how many credits for each class. Below that, you will see the work in progress. To the right, you will see the credit summary. High school shows you the classes needed to graduate. Under Earned, you will see the credits received in each subject area, 5 credits per class per semester. Under Required, you will see the total credits needed to graduate by subject. Under Remaining, you will see how many credits you need in order to graduate. This does not include your work in progress. So this student has completed 30 credits, and it needs 200 more to graduate. So when choosing your classes, we want you to think of the following. What classes do I need to take in order to graduate? What is my post-high school goal? Is it community college, a four-year college or university, the military, or work? What classes do I need to take in order to be prepared for my post-high school goal? Do I have time to commit to a challenging schedule and still maintain good grades and a healthy lifestyle? The following is an example of what a four-year plan will look like for a student that is only wanting to meet graduation requirements. The second one is for a student that wants to meet A through G or college requirements. If you noticed, mostly everyone will be on track to meet college requirements beginning in 9th grade, since most of the courses are requirements for graduation as well. It isn't until 11th grade that students will need to make the decision whether they want to do a foreign language if they haven't already started it. Do you want to continue with science? And so on. Have you earned C's or better? And of course, many of the courses can be honors or AP depending on availability and your ability to be successful in them. Lastly, we want to give you the opportunity to look at the requirements and start drafting a 4-year plan. You will be able to find what you need in Xello. Go to Xello. Under Resources or Links, you will find the 4-year plan, template, the instructions, and how to complete it. Let's take a quick look. This is your Xello dashboard. Under Links and Resources, you can see the instructions for the 4-year plan, the 4-year plan template, samples of the 4-year plans I just covered, and the district approved math sequencing. Also, just a reminder, a great tool for you is the completion of the college and career assessments and lessons assigned to you in Xello last semester. You should have completed Matchmaker, Personality Type, and Mission Complete. Unfortunately, Mission Complete will not unlock unless you complete Matchmaker, the first one. The lesson that must be completed for 9th grade is Explore Career Matches. So please complete it if you haven't done it already. And that is it. We hope this information is helpful to you planning for your future. And remember to see your counselor if you have any questions.